Hi everyone, I'm Carlos. Welcome to today's unboxing and product introduction. In today's retail shop, a POS system is more than just a cash registering tool. It's a center of daily operation of a store. Today, we are excited to introduce a premium POS solution, the Advantech RS YUNO C. We will take a closer look at its design and show you how the right POS system can truly upgrade a store operational efficiency. Right out of the box, you can see the YUNO C POS terminal itself, and an accessory box with adapter inside and a user manual. So let me clear all this up and we will get back to the YUNO C. At first glance, you can immediately feel the French design of RS. YUNO C features a clean, modern look that blends naturally into modern store interiors. Instead of being a bulky machine sitting on the front desk, it becomes a refined part of the interior design of your store. One of the biggest concerns for store staff is screen wobbling during the ordering process, because it directly impacts both ordering accuracy and operational efficiency. The YUNO C features an aluminum die casting housing and a metal base. Combined with high-quality strong hinge, it allows for a 0 to 90-degree adjustment angle. Even with rapid, continuous touch inputs, it remains rock steady. The agile adjustment angle of the POS machine can make sure the operator is clearly seeing all the info displayed in the POS terminal. Furthermore, the exclusive cable management system supports front or bottom cable exits, keeping your counter clean and professional. For system integrators and service providers, long-term maintenance is just as important as performance. YUNO C is designed with a tool-free structure and a one-touch magnetic rear cover. SSD and RAM can be replaced quickly without any screwdriver, saving valuable time during on-site service and maintenance. The YUNO C is powered by the industrial-grade Intel N97 processor and uses a fanless cooling structure. The die-cast aluminum housing prevents dust and grease intake, ensuring 24/7 stability in harsh environments. The system runs on Windows IoT, providing long-term support and excellent peripheral compatibility. The YUNO C features 2 serial ports, a USB-A port and 1 USB-C port that support video output for customer-facing display. Additionally, it includes dual-sided expansion slots on the screen, allowing for easy integration peripheral such as scanner, MSR, or RFID reader. If your installation environments require even more connectivity or specialized ports, such as power USB, the YUNO C offers an optional I/O expansion docking station. The docking station connects via USB-C to ensure seamless and perfect integration. Advantech RS provides a powerful hardware platform, and we collaborate with software developers all over the world and across different industries. Today, we are demonstrating a POS software provided by our partner to show how it integrates perfectly with our hardware. The ordering process is intuitive. You can use the 15-inch capacitive touchscreen for inputting frequent selling items, or a 2D scanner to quickly identify items in the system with corresponding price. YUNO C can also connect to a label printer. If your product's package does not include barcode info, you can instantly print barcode for future identification. If in some circumstances, which an instant modification on price is needed, you can also quickly modify the price and record it, using the intuitive touchscreen inputs to stimulate traditional cash registering key. During the checkout, the system handles subtotals, cash entry, and change was calculated automatically. Advantech not only provides powerful products for POS hardware, but also offers a centralized device management platform for POS maintenance ecosystem. There is a saying that 99% of glitches can be solved with a simple restart. Imagine you are a store manager on a business trip. During peak hour of the store, you receive a phone call from a newly onboard cashier, issuing a report of system malfunction. The cashier is nervous, can clearly describe the issue. You try to guide him to restart the system, but the cashier is having trouble understanding your instructions. With Advantech device on, you don't need to go to the store or guide the employee over the phone or even sit at your desk. You can remotely restart the computer using a mobile app. As you can see, the machine restarted and recovered with just a tap on the phone. Beyond remote reboots, you can use remote control for troubleshooting or training. IT manager can monitor CPU load and disk capacity through visualized reports to perform preventive maintenance. For software upgrades, you can set custom schedules during non-business hour to push update to all stores simultaneously without interrupting business. Good looking, easy to service, and better to manage. This is the retail ecosystem created by Advantech RS YUNO C and Device On. It's more than just a POS terminal. It's a solid backbone for scaling and smartening your business operation. Thank you for watching today's unboxing video. We invite you to join our ecosystem and bring more innovation to the retail industry. This is Carlos. Feel free to contact us through the link below. See you next time.